about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
This day 6, you guys. I'm just getting home. That's why it's still dark. Let me kind of turn this way. Maybe it's better over here while I talk to you. It's raining. There's something wrong with my car. I don't know. I still want to describe it like as if the transmission is slipping and it makes a grinding noise. It's something that only started when I went to go pick up dinner for myself and all my co-workers, because when I drove to work it was fine, but it's making a noise and it's slipping. Even right now when I was coming up on the driveway, it was like, okay, there you go, I brought you home and I'm done. It was like that. Anyway, it's raining, you guys. That's why I put my hoodie on. I didn't want to let my hair. It's raining. Happy Vlogmas day 6. Yeah, day 6. See the Christmas lights. We go this way. I have to, in that light fixture, the light bulb is kind of stuck in there and it doesn't work. So I have to spend time with that, taking it out carefully and putting a new bulb in there. It's still Vlogmas day 6 in the morning. It's 3:50 a.m. I'm going to get my Kleenex box and my makeup remover, my Pond's. I put my hair up. Let me kind of duck down so I don't have to move. No, I'm going to have to move the camera. I put that little, oops, a little clippy up on my hair. I rarely pull my hair back because of the gray and the thinning. I think the thinning is due to, well, it is due to my height. Stay. Let me put something there to make it stay. It's due to my hypothyroidism. Yay, you can see now. Anyway, that's why my hair is thinning all around here. Thinning and gray. And you can see where I dyed my hair kind of red, but, well, it was really red. I guess I have to go to my beautician where they do it right. This is just from a box. I think it was L'Oreal. I'm just kind of putting it on my face. So today, as I really didn't show you guys, but it's raining outside, and I drove over here very slow for the both reasons. Number one, because it's raining, and number two, because my car is acting really scary. There is seriously something wrong with it. So there it's going to sit till I can get my mechanic friend to come over here and take a look-see at it and tell me what the damages are. I have that car's 20 years old, and I've been putting a lot of maintenance in. I just paid the tags off. It's 20 years old. It's a Honda, but Hondas, as long as you keep taking care of it. Oh, I know, more lotion, right? I know that they keep running. But this last year and this year, and I'm not, I really don't have room to complain because I've had the car for 20 years. And it's never given me problems. Never, ever, ever. Maybe once or twice here and there, I probably need to put oil in it or, buy tires, the maintenance stuff. But last year and this year I've been doing lots of replacing of things, all kinds of different things. And it's a given because, you know, like I said, it's a 20-year-old car. I don't like to get like emotionally attached to things because, you know, material things. But my dad did buy me that car. And when he knew he had cancer, and before he told all of us, he paid off my mom's car, paid off his truck, paid off my car, and paid off my brother's truck. And we were all like, wow, thank you. Not realizing this was like a year before he passed, a year and a half before he passed. It was like probably 4 months before he actually told us he was fighting cancer. Because he died exactly 1 year from the time he told us. Which at the time we thought he had just gotten diagnosed, but I found out later from one of his friends, one of his golfing buddies, that they had gone to Fresno to see a doctor. He had taken my dad. He got diagnosed over there. Why did I go off on that? I think I got most of it off. Hold on, I'm going to go to the bathroom and take the mascara off. I'll be back. I went to the bathroom to get this by Lancome. It takes my mascara off. It takes the makeup off in one wipe. This stuff is really, really good. Anyway, and I need some more, as you can see. I know I went off on that about my dad because of the car. So that's my current thing. The funny thing about my car is it'll be running great, 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 and then all of a sudden, bam, there's just no, like, you know how when things starting to break down, or you can tell, uh-oh, something's happening, you get a little warning. My car hasn't done that. This past year and a half or so, when something's wrong, bam, it just breaks down. I've had it towed home. I think I did a video one time, a vlog, when I had to have it towed home. I think it's getting close for time for me to go and buy me a new car. It'll be a Honda or a Cadillac. I would love a Cadillac. Anyway, you guys, as you can see, I'm winding down here. I am going to crawl into bed to get a couple hours of sleep. But first I'm going to watch the Gilmore Girls. I love my Netflix. That's just my routine. I turn the Gilmore Girls on, then I fall asleep. But I'm going to set my alarm. I'll probably wake up about 9. And the Christmassy thing that I'm going to do today on Vlogmas Day 6 is finally get into the garage and pull out some Christmas bins. So I will share that with you. My garage is packed. But that is just part of Vlogmas. That's part of what I need to do. It's already the 6th. I need to get on it and finish up my decorating. I'm very, very late this year in decorating my house. I usually have it all done by Thanksgiving. And this year was just a completely different thing. So, see you after my nap. You guys, it's like 1 o'clock. I've been awake since 11. I've been in bed. I'm getting dressed. I was in bed. I was going to work and edit on Vlogmas 5, which needs to be up already. I haven't even edited it yet. Anyway, I got carried away chatting in Facebook and watching other people's Vlogmases. Oh my God, I'm enjoying so many of them. Do you guys watch Christina Briley? I love her. I love her. She's a doctor in Texas. And she's got the prettiest baby girl. And She does this really awesome Vlogmas every year, and this year she's like really, really outdoing herself. Anyway, I watch hers and Old World. I think it's called Old World Channel. Hillary. Watch hers. I should list them. I'm gonna list them. I love watching Vlogmas. It really gets me in the Christmas spirit. And plus, I've been watching these girls for years. It's like I know them. Anyway, we are going to go. I hopped out of bed. I didn't edit. We're going to go to a place called Grandma's. Mom wants to go there. I've been hearing so much about it at work. That they have really good tamales. And we're going to go check it out. Plus, it's a beautiful rainy day. And we're going in the big gas guzzler because, as I already told you, my car ain't running right. And I'm scared to drive it, especially right now in this weather. I'm just going to let it park until I can get somebody to come look at it.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I gotta go. What is this supposed to be? Chicken?
There's chicken one. Yes, I'm not on my keto diet today. I'm taking a day off. I had that burger. Oh, that was yesterday. Oh, taking 2 days off of keto. And Mom and I are testing those tamales from Grandma's. We had the raja tamal, the pollo. Raja is the jalapeno with cheese, and it had a carrot in there, and it was good. The masa was good. It was flavorful. And then we had the chicken tamal. Holy moly, it was good. And now I'm about to try the pork one. Bad girl, I know. Bad, 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 bad. I got 20 minutes, 19 minutes to get across town. I'm in my gas guzzler. I'm grateful I have a car, another one to go to work in. I'm putting my seatbelt on. Anyway, hold on. I was talking away and I didn't even have the recorder on. I was saying, I just need 1 extra hour of home time, and I'm very grateful to have this gas guzzler that I'm going to work in because, oh, there's a big fat possum. I can't turn the camera around fast enough, and I'm so late. There's a possum crossing the street. Oh, those things are kind of freaky. Anywho, yeah, we got possums here in this neighborhood, and we have raccoons, and we have a ton of squirrels, and schools of skunks. Yuck. I know, right? Even the little babies are so cute, but they're stinky. They're stinky. Anyway, I'm still in my neighborhood, that's why I'm vlogging still. And whew, today's still Vlogtober day 6. Mom and I went to go check out those tamales. We tasted them. They were the bomb. They were good, you guys. Those tamales are good. I'll go ahead and stick a picture or a couple of clips of that little tiny place. It's my coworkers that have been telling me about that place. And right now that we're getting closer to Christmas, they were talking about the tamales. And I'm like, well, let's go check it out, Mom. Maybe we don't have to make tamales. But you know what? I know my mom. She'll want to buy those because they're so good. But she'll still want to make tamales because it's part of the family tradition. It's a Christmas tradition. Anywho, okay, in yesterday's vlog, right before my car started giving out, right around this area, I noticed in the film there was like some grinding noises in the film. But when I was talking and filming, like right now, I didn't hear those grinding noises. I only heard them in the film. So you guys, if you watched Vlogmas day 5, it's in that vlog. It's weird. I don't know. Maybe I was just yapping, didn't pay attention. Getting on the main road, you guys. Second night in a row that I'm doing a food run, and I'm at Grandma's where I went earlier today, but I went to the one over in the middle of town. This one's over here on Bernard. They make the best tamales, you guys. They make the best tamales. I was telling everybody at work about it, and they're like, oh, you want to go get us some tamales? So right away they all gather their money and put in their orders, and this place is closing at 9, so that's like in about 15 minutes. So I raced over here for their tamales. So my day continues. And okay, I did have that tamale and a half with Mom earlier today, so I didn't order me tamales because I've already the tamales have, a whole tamale has 26 carbs in it, and I like to keep my carbs down below 10, but on a keto diet you can have, as long as your carbs don't go over 30, you're not off ketosis. But I tried 3 different types of tamales, and they were halves, so that constituted to 1 full tamale and a half. I probably went over on my carbs, or I probably didn't. I think I did. I don't know. I did a little bit. So right here, I did not order me a tamale. I ordered me chicken enchiladas without the rice and beans. I mean, I already blew it today, so I love enchiladas, and I'm having something completely different than all my coworkers are having, so that's what I'm having.